Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, in this video, we are tackling a hot topic. Can we verify our Worldcoin account without the ORB? So whether you're new to the Worldcoin or looking for alternatives, in this video, we will explain everything you need to know. So let's just dive right into the video. So the first thing we need to understand about the ORB is, what is ORB? ORB is the primary way Worldcoin that ensures that each person registers only once by using biometric iris scans. It's a crucial part of verification, so currently there's no official way to verify without it. And why are there no alternatives? So Worldcoin uses the ORB to prevent fraud and ensure a fair distribution of the Worldcoin tokens. Without the ORB, they can't guarantee unique human verification, so that is very important, and we don't have any alternatives right now. So what can we do if we can't access the ORB? So if there is no ORB in our area, we can go ahead and check out the official Worldcoin app or website for updates on new ORB locations, or you can contact the Worldcoin support and express your interest in having an ORB deployed in your region. Otherwise, you can wait for the future updates. Worldcoin is expanding, so alternate methods might be introduced later. You just need to keep up an eye for those official announcements, and also be aware of scans if you're looking out of those. Some websites or apps may claim to help you verify without the ORB. Those are likely scams, so just stick to the Worldcoin's official channels and never share your personal data or cryptocurrency wallet credentials with the third parties claiming to bypass the ORB. So for now, verifying a Worldcoin account without the ORB isn't officially possible. So if you're in the region without an ORB, just keep patient and keep an eye out for the updates. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cryptocurrency tips and updates. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.